Chapter 1: Optimize your credit cards. In this chapter, the focus is on leveraging credit cards to your benefit. It begins by providing insight into how credit cards work and their potential advantages. Sethi delves into the significance of understanding credit scores, explaining how they influence financial decisions and opportunities. Practical advice is offered on how to manage credit responsibly, such as paying bills on time and avoiding excessive debt. The chapter also addresses making informed choices about credit card usage, including rewards programs, cashback options, and managing credit limits. By emphasizing the importance of responsible credit card usage, Sethi helps readers make informed financial decisions that can positively impact their credit history and overall financial health. Chapter 2: Beat the Banks. Sethi's second chapter revolves around outsmarting financial institutions. He guides readers through the process of optimizing their bank accounts for better financial management. The chapter opens with insights into selecting the right type of bank account and effectively utilizing features such as online banking and mobile apps. Sethi stresses the significance of automating savings and setting up systems to ensure consistent contributions to savings goals. He equips readers with strategies to negotiate banking fees, emphasizing the potential for better deals and cost savings. By sharing practical tips on how to navigate the banking landscape effectively, Sethi empowers readers to take control of their financial relationships with banks, ultimately maximizing their savings and minimizing unnecessary expenses. Chapter 3: Get ready to invest. In this chapter, readers delve into the world of investment options, gaining insights into essential concepts like index funds and Roth IRAs. Index funds, a type of mutual fund, offer diversified exposure to a wide range of stocks or bonds, lowering risk and minimizing fees. The Roth IRA, a retirement savings account, allows contributions to grow tax-free, offering long-term financial benefits. The chapter educates readers on how these options align with their financial goals. Additionally, the chapter dispels common investment myths, such as the misconception that one needs a large sum to start investing. It clarifies that even small, consistent contributions can yield substantial returns over time. By addressing these myths, readers gain the confidence to embark on their investment journey armed with accurate information. Chapter 4: Conscious Spending. In this chapter, the focus shifts to the importance of mindful and intentional spending. It encourages readers to evaluate their spending habits and identify areas where they can cut back on mindless expenses. By prioritizing spending on experiences, products, and services that align with their values and bring them joy, readers can create a more fulfilling and purposeful lifestyle. The chapter guides readers through the process of creating a conscious spending plan, which involves setting clear financial goals, tracking expenses, and allocating funds to various categories based on priorities. By practicing conscious spending, readers can establish a healthier relationship with money, avoid unnecessary debt, and work towards financial security and fulfillment. Both chapters collectively provide readers with essential knowledge about preparing for a prosperous financial future. They empower readers to make informed investment decisions and adopt a mindful approach to spending, ultimately contributing to their overall financial well-being. Chapter 5: Save While Sleeping, Automating Your Finances. In this chapter, the focus is on simplifying the process of saving money by automating financial tasks. The author discusses the benefits of setting up systems that allow individuals to save effortlessly while they sleep. The chapter begins by explaining the concept of automating finances and its importance in achieving long-term financial goals. The author delves into practical strategies for automation, such as creating automatic transfers from the main account to savings accounts or investment vehicles. They emphasize the significance of treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like bills, and ensuring that it is consistently accounted for. The chapter also touches on the psychological aspect of automation, highlighting how it can remove the temptation to spend impulsively. By setting up automated contributions to retirement accounts, emergency funds, and other savings goals, readers can create a reliable financial safety net. Chapter 6: The Myth of Financial Expertise, Trusting Your Own Financial Judgment. This chapter challenges the common belief that managing finances requires an extensive background in financial expertise. The author encourages readers to take control of their financial decisions, trust their instincts, and focus on long-term outcomes rather than short-term market fluctuations. The chapter begins by addressing the apprehension many individuals feel when it comes to making financial choices. It highlights that while seeking advice from experts is valuable, blindly following their recommendations without understanding the reasoning behind them can be detrimental. The author advocates for financial education and empowerment, encouraging readers to equip themselves with basic financial knowledge. They discuss the importance of understanding financial terminology, investment options, and risk management strategies. By doing so, readers can make informed decisions and avoid falling victim to financial scams or making rash choices. Moreover, the chapter emphasizes the significance of having a long-term perspective. It discusses how short-term market volatility is a natural part of investing and shouldn't deter individuals from staying focused on their ultimate financial goals. In conclusion, Chapter 6 promotes the idea that while financial experts can offer valuable insights, individuals should rely on their own judgment, educate themselves, and concentrate on their unique financial journeys. By doing so, they can build a solid foundation for their financial future.